aside from being a popular soft drink brand, Coke or any other brand of cola can be used as a secret ingredient for enhancing various dishes. Cooking with cola is a good activity for lazy Sunday afternoons, and it's a great way to use up flat cola. This video has various tried and tested cooking tips for using cola, but these are by no means exhaustive. Once you're using cola for cooking, you'll undoubtedly find many more ways to enjoy adding it to your food. Step 1. Purchase your favorite cola. Make sure you have enough for the meal and some left over to have an enjoyable drink too. Step 2. Select a recipe from the many suggested below. Or, choose a handful and throw a cola-inspired dinner party. These are the methods to get it done. Method 1. Meat dishes with cola. There are several great ways to prepare meat with cola. 1. Barbecue with cola. Soak whatever meat you are going to cook on the grill in cola. An hour or two would be nice, but even for a few minutes will be beneficial. Cook low and slow. During the cooking process, often moisten the meat by brushing or spraying on cola. A delicious coating will build up over time. 2. Cook chicken with cola. Marinate whole chicken or chicken wings in cola for 3 to 4 hours along with salt and pepper. You can poke holes into the chicken flesh with a skewer to allow the cola to penetrate it more easily. Cook on slow heat for about 30 minutes. This will result in very soft and delicate meat. 3. Cook beef brisket with cola. Add mushrooms, pearl onions, and cola to the beef brisket. If wishes, also add chili sauce, garlic, and pepper. Bake in the oven for around 3 hours or until the beef gets tender. 4. Cook ribs with cola. Cook the ribs in cola, brown sugar, and garlic for 6 hours at 275 F 135 C. The cola will break down the connective tissue on the ribs. Then, remove them from the cola and bake at 350 F 180 C for 10 to 15 minutes, for succulent ribs. 5. Brine a ham using cola. It works well and tastes great. Nigella Lawson's recipe for ham in cola is a good choice. You can also baste the ham simply using cola and place it in the oven. 6. Mix 12 ounces of Coke with your favorite barbecue sauce in a pot to cover your links. Bring to a simmer and cook for 30 minutes. Remove and enjoy. Method 2. Marinades and sauces with cola. 1. Improve the barbecue sauce with cola. Mix cola along with your choice of barbecue sauce, in 50-50 ratio. This will enhance the taste of the original sauce. If you'd rather make barbecue sauce from scratch using cola, try this recipe. Gently cook 1 chopped onion and 2 chopped cloves of garlic in 2 tablespoons of butter until soft. Add 2 cups of catsup, 6 ounces of cola, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Simmer for 1 hour or until the mixture has thickened. 2. Make a marinade with cola. Add the cola to the beef marinade along with whatever else you're planning to use as a marinade, such as salt, pepper, garlic, and herbs. Just be careful when cooking, as the cola contains sugar and will cause the outside of the marinated meat to darken and crisp faster than the inside. See also how to make Coca-Cola marinade for a specific recipe. Method 3. Spaghetti, pasta with cola. 1. Add around 50 ml 1.69 fluid ounces of cola to the pasta and any tomato-based sauce. 2. Let this simmer for 10 minutes. Serve. Method 4. Baked potatoes, beans with cola. 1. In a baking dish, place potatoes or beans. Add around 2 cans of cola, tomato sauce, onion rings, and bacon. 2. Bake this for 40 minutes to 1 hour at 243 F, 200 C. Method 5, onion soup with cola. 1. Melt butter in a pan, then add finely chopped onions. 2. Sauté the onions until they become transparent. Be careful that they do not turn brown. 3. Add vegetables, chicken or meat broth and a can of cola. 4. Let the soup simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. 5. Serve with Parmesan cheese. Method 6, snacks with cola. 1. Improve the flavor of any dip with cola. Simply add a few teaspoons of cola to any of your favorite dips for that extra sweetness and zing. 2. Make a Coca-Cola ice cream float. Put the cola in the glass first or else the cola will all turn to foam. For a deluxe float, first start with half a tall glass with Coke, then ice cream, then a splash of cola on the tip to create a foam topping. Method 7, drinks with cola. A lot of cocktails and other bar drinks are made using cola. But you can also add cola to a few other drinks in the home. 1. Make a tea using cola and herbs, combine ginger, basil leaves, pepper and cola in a pot. Boil this for 10 minutes. Enjoy this drink at any time of the day. 2. Make Long Island iced tea using cola. It doesn't contain any tea. Method 8, baking with cola. Cola can be slipped into several baked products for an enhanced flavor. Here are just a few suggestions. 1. Make a Christmas plum cake using cola. Soak the nuts, seeds, and orange or lemon peel ingredients in cola, instead of soaking them in wine. Add around 200 ml (6.76 fluid ounces) of cola to the batter instead of eggs, if you prefer an eggless cake. 2. Make a cola cake. Make cola cake frosting. Combine 1/3 cup margarine or butter with 1/2 cup of cola, 1/3 cup cocoa, 1 box of powdered sugar and 1 cup of nuts. Spread this frosting over a hot cake that has been left in the pan. 3. Soak dried fruit in cola to be used in any cake, cookie, or other baking recipes. This softens up the fruit nicely and readies it for use. What do you need to know? We'll do our best to find the answer. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more how-tos and tips, subscribe to the channel.